Hey guys, Ishan here. Let's start talking about counting. I'll get started by sharing my screen. Okay, for sure. So let's look at this question. Each user on a computer system has a password, which is 7 characters long. Let's draw that out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where each character is an uppercase letter. How many possible passwords are there? So I like to start about thinking about this by thinking for each potential spot we have, how many possible options do we have? And so for the first one, we have 26 letters, so 26 possible options. Now, what about the second character? Well, we're allowed to use all of the same uppercase letters again. So I guess we could just use all 26 letters, and those are our options. What about the third option? Okay, 26 letters again, because there's no rules that we can't repeat. And this is going to go on for all 7 of our digits. Now, I have these 7 27s here, or 26s here. And I have to figure out, what am I going to do with these 7 26s? Well, note that I have to choose a letter for all 7 of these digits. I need a first digit, a second digit, a third digit, and so on. And because of that, I see the and rule. I need to do the first and the second, which means I'm going to multiply them. Meaning I'm going to take 26 times 26 times 26 and so on. We can just rewrite that as 26 to the 7th power. In other words, our answer is C. Okay, let's take a slightly more complicated example. Here, each user on a computer system has a password which is 6 to 8 characters long. So it could be shorter, it could be longer. And each character is an uppercase letter or a digit. So how many possible passwords are there? So there are a few different things about this thing. So the first is that we don't know how many characters there might be. There might be 6 characters, there might be 7 characters, or there might be 8 characters. And we can draw out scenarios for each of those. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And now we have our 3 cases. And so let's just look at the first case of the first digit of the 6-character password. And how many options do we have? Well, noting that each character is an uppercase letter or a digit, that means we have 26 plus 10 options, which gives us 36 options. And just like beforehand, we need a an uppercase letter or a digit for every character in our 6-digit password. And the same case is going to be for the case of a 7-digit password or an 8-digit password. So ... and 36 options, no matter what we choose. Now let's look at the cases again individually. So looking at the case where we have 6-digit password, how many options do we have overall for our password? Well, remember, we have to choose an uppercase letter or digit for the first character and the second character and the third character and so on. So this is going to give us 36 to the 6th options. For the 7-digit 7-character password, we'll have 36 to the 7th options, and so on. We'll have 36 to the 8th options for an 8-digit password. Now, finally, I know that I can choose a 6-character password, or a 7-character password, or an 8-character password. The keyword is or. And because of that, I know that I have to add these potential cases together to get my final answer, which is going to be 36 to the 6 plus 36 to the 7th plus 36 to the 8th. And that gives us C again. Hope that helps. Bye.